I'll let you in on the new super tool that enables you to generate incredibly realistic, emotional voiceovers in over 80 languages for free without paying for expensive AI voiceover subscriptions. If you're ready, hit that like button and let's get started. I'm talking about the improved Google AI Studio, and I'll walk you through the exact steps to start using it right now. First, open your browser and head over to aistudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, on the left sidebar, click Playground, then locate the new Speech and Music mode. Select it. Next, make sure your model is set to Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS. This is the engine that handles the high-fidelity audio synthesis. Unlike older models, this version doesn't just read text. It understands the context of what you're writing to give the most natural delivery possible. Go through the audio quick start templates. Test each to understand its nuances and select the template that resonates with your project. For this tutorial, I'll go with the patient teacher, because obviously this is a tutorial channel. In the scene box, describe in plain language the scene of your video. For example, a classroom, laboratory, etc. Within the sample context box, describe how you want the voice to sound. For example, read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. Deliver the script in a clear, confident, and highly energetic tone. Maintain an expert, approachable, and motivational feel throughout. The AI will automatically adjust the reverb and projection to match that environment perfectly. Don't bother changing anything in the model settings. Under the speaker settings, you can click on each name and select the voice you want. Just click the play button to listen to each and make your choice. Some templates, like this patient teacher, comes default with 2 speakers. You can delete one if you need just one voice. Simply go through speech blocks in the playground and delete the ones you don't want, starting from the last. When the settings seem fine, it's time to paste your script inside the speech block. Now, here is the game changer for realism: Bracket Markup Tags. If you want your AI to sound human, you have to give it human quirks. For example, in your script, you can literally type laugh, sigh, or gasp directly into where you want it in the text. For example, if I write, "I can't believe we actually found it. This is incredible." The AI will perform those actions mid-sentence. Then play the generated audio clip at full volume. Let the gasp and laugh breathe so the audience hears the realism. Need this in French, Hindi, or Spanish? Just paste your text in that language and the AI maintains the same emotional profile across over 80 locations. Once you're happy with the preview, hit the download button to export a high-quality WAV file for your video editor. All audio includes a Synth ID watermark, which is invisible to the ear, but keeps your content compliant with AI safety standards. Google AI Studio is officially the best free alternative to ElevenLabs. You get high fidelity, emotional control, and global reach in one tab. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best AI video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.